So good morning, all of you. In last lecture, we have to starting the MATLAB simulation lab as well as the what kind of the MATLAB procedure we have done. So in this lecture, we have to start the new experiment. Already three experiments we have to done. First, our introductory part. Second is the CP saturations, and third one is the overcurrent protection. Now we have to see the time distance, time delay protection with the overcurrent with the time delay. In this protection, we have to not see the specified, but we have to use the delay, time delay. What kind of the time delay with the fault is occur, and the clearing time will be occur. So we have to use the delay for the fault clearing process as well as the our circuit breaker opening. So this is the arrangement is the previous you have to already done the what kind of the arrangement you have to do. So I will repeat the all the arrangement and how can we simulate this system. We also the explains. So first of all, this is a three-phase source. Is it may be a substation or power station. This is a circuit breaker. Is for the isolation of the two part of the distribution type as well as primary side. And this is the VI measurement. It may be a CT and PT in the practical session. And this is a load. Maybe this load is the pole mounted substation in consideration when the real life all. Here we see the RLC load. This is a fault. We have to create the fault of the external. This is a timer. This is timer is used for the give the command of the fault at the any instance. And then now this is the main the relay. Relay is the detect the current. This is the current line. They detect for the VI measurements, and this is a relay. In the relay, we have to use for the three relay. This is why we use the three relay. This is the RYB all the three phases relay. Now we have to see in the three phases what kind of the process they will be done. Where the two inputs are there, then the first is the our actual measurement unit. So measurement units they will be find out the after this the instantaneous value are there. So they will find the magnitude, and this find it after the finding magnitude they will be compare with our reference value. Already we have to given the 10 amperes. I will just show where whenever we have to given the 10 amperes. After that they will be compared if you have the both comparison are the extent. So they will give the signal to the one, and this one signal will be go to the delays and the ADQ. We bar we have the outputs. So we have to use delays for the vice versa open and close position. All the three arrangement are this. If you are the three only three phase are the extend the limit, there will all have to one input, and the AND gate have two on the one input. This is the data converter because of the AND gate 0 and 1. Here we can see the analog quantity or some quantity for operation of the circuit breaker. Now we have to see the delay, integrated delay we have to use. So integrated delay we have to use. How can delays work? I will explain later. First of all, we have to use this is our constant. We have to constantly given the all the delay input. This is the input to it. I will be given the all the relay input in the constants. So wait, okay. So we have to compare the all the input or the measurement of the current so that is 10 amp. Now we have to simulate when the our whenever the our fault. I will please wait for it. This PC is ahead. Our fault is occur 0.1 second, and this magnitude is 1 for the operating this fault. Now we have to simulate to here. Wait for the hand. First of all, they will be compiled all files. Here, so you can give the compile status of the file. Here you can say this will be the similar. How now we have to see the graph of voltage and current graph. Our here you can see the third one graph is the operation of the our fault. This is the fault is operated at the 0.1 second. When our fault is operated at 0.1 second, the voltage is a down as plus 0, and our current is rise. But after that current rise, the in the step of the 0.15 something, there will be circuit breaker is the open and the current is a 0. But there is the greater distance of the 0.1 to 0.15 is approximate. But sometimes we need to higher time to taking this current as well as the short time of the taking this current. We have to not extend this type of limit. We have to cut down the this current at the this end. So we have to change the our this delay time. So this is our delay time. We have to change the delay to this is a microsecond value. So we have to change this value into 200 microsecond. Now we have to further simulate. So you can see there is the current is something after that 200 microsecond there will be a the circuit breaker is open. Also we have to change this value to the maximum value of the some measure microsecond like we have to go for the 3000 microsecond. So time delay is taken by the this and larger. So you can see the current is flowing for the a large time from the circuit breaker as well as our systems. So you can define your time as well as this type of the time delay relay is used for the breaker protections, backup protections. So we have to implement this type of a time delay for using this type of the arrangement. If you have any question, you can ask freely. Any have a question from this?